Hi guys, welcome to Queen Bee's World. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my coffee, and that too without a coffee maker. So let's get started. The first thing that you need is of course coffee. I'm using Nescafe Classic. You can use any coffee that you have or that you like. Some sugar, milk, and some water. So to make the coffee, first of all you have to add in the coffee powder. If you're making 2 cups, then add 2 teaspoons, and if you're making 1 cup, then you have to add 1 teaspoon of coffee. And similarly add some sugar, same quantity of sugar. So if you have taken 2 teaspoons of coffee, then add 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then you need to add a little bit of water. Now we need to whisk it properly. So let's start. The color will start changing as you keep whisking it. As you guys can see, the color is changing. It's becoming lighter. So that's how your coffee mixture should look after you have mixed it properly. You can see it has changed its color and it has become thicker, and you can see these peaks forming. So that confirms that you have mixed it properly. So yeah, that's what you need. Now take a saucepan and add in the milk. You need to boil this milk. Once the milk starts boiling, you're going to take the same whisk and you have to whisk it for a few minutes. Now you have to add in that coffee mixture into the cup. Once you have added the coffee mixture, then add the milk slowly and gently. Now take a toothpick and mix it properly. You don't need to use a spoon. And the coffee is ready.